Hello everybody, today I am going to be showing you how to crochet these bookmarks by Our Inspirations Bernat Blanket, I think, because that's what it says right here. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started. I started crocheting with baby stuff, but today we are going to do much darker colors, and I have not gotten prepared for this. So today I'm going to do a color of, well, not orange, red and brown, 2 shades of brown, and I am going to get started already. So all you have to do is start a slip knot and chain 49, but I have not gotten this prepared, so let me get to it and I'll be right back to you. When you make a slip knot, hang on, I need a place to put my phone so I can do this with both hands. I leave a 3-inch tail after the slip knot, so there we go. This is how it all works. I go crisscross applesauce with it, and then I pull up a loop, then pull like so. I believe this is 3 inches, I'm not sure. I pull up a loop with this tail because to prevent pulling from this tail when you do this. So, or this. So you can chain 48, and this doesn't matter about the single crochets or the double crochets, because it doesn't matter anyway. So what I like to do, excuse me, I shook the phone a little bit there. What I like to do, excuse me, I just had lunch. Sorry. What I like to do is to chain and then pull tight, and then for beginners I like to go as wide as your thumb, so as wide as this, so it wouldn't be too small or too large to do this and to do this, to chain again, and then pull tight, not too tight enough so it would break. That would be a problem. So do it again, pull up a loop like you did in the slip knot, and then you feel free to pause the video too. So yeah, it works. It's a fantastic video to hear this right here. So just keep going until you chain like 49 to 48. Actually 49 is the best, because I'll show you in a minute. Oh, I just lost count. Hang on, let me start over. I'll be right back. Hi everyone, so this is I'm back with almost the finished product. I am on the 48th stitch. So let me crochet the 49s, and I have to leave a loop for this much of a loop, and in the very center right here I cut. Don't worry, it's okay to cut here. And just, oh, whoops, I don't mean to stab. And just use this tail to pull, and then pull this tail tight, and here you have a bookmark. Yay! So you could just put it in a book and forget about it. And when you want to come back to that book, you go back to that page. So I have 3 bookmarks so far, and I have done a super cool pattern with the sponsored thing. I don't know how to leave a link in the description, but teach me how. It's okay. I'll probably make a board on Pinterest and go from there. And I'll see you around.